Did you know high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, heart failure and type 2 diabetes could be caused by sleep apnea? Let me show you. Mintal Tracker has the ability to detect sleep apnea. You get your complete analysis of your snore rate, your sleep apnea risk, whether it's low, mild, medium or severe, and your snoring rate, your snore time asleep. Mintal Health Assistant with suggestions. Mine was your sleeping environment last night was slightly noisy. Your pet was making some sounds last night. Listen to it. And you can listen to Miss Penny snoring. Sweet dreams.